Hello guys, in this video we will see what is error code of Aldous in Among Us, and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step 1. Understanding error code of Aldous. Content error code of Aldous in Among Us primarily indicates a connection failure between your game client and the Among Us game servers. This is typically not a server-wide outage, but rather an issue specific to your network environment preventing the game from establishing a stable connection. It often points to problems like a blocked connection by a firewall, an unstable internet connection, incorrect settings, or regional server issues. The game is unable to send or receive data from the server, resulting in the specific error code displayed to the player. Step. Verify your internet connection stability. The most common cause for connection errors is an unstable or absent internet connection. Before proceeding with more complex troubleshooting, ensure your internet connection is active and stable. Check if other online applications or websites are loading correctly. Try restarting your router and modem by unplugging them for about 5 seconds and then plugging them back in. If you are using Wi-Fi, consider connecting via an Ethernet cable if possible to rule out wireless interference. A fluctuating or weak connection can lead to intermittent disconnections and trigger error code phones. Step. Check Among Us server status and change regions. While error code is often client-side, it's prudent to check if the Among Us game servers are experiencing issues. Visit the official Among Us social media channels, Twitter, or reliable third-party server status websites to confirm there are no widespread server problems. If the servers are operational, try changing your in-game server region within Among Us. Navigate to the game settings and select a different region. Switch from North America to Europe or Asia. Sometimes specific regional servers might be experiencing temporary issues, and switching can provide a workaround. Step. Temporarily disable firewall and antivirus. Your computer's firewall or antivirus software can sometimes aggressively block network connections for games, mistaking them for security threats. To determine if this is the cause of error code, temporarily disable your firewall, Windows Defender Firewall, and any third-party antivirus software. After disabling, attempt to connect to Among Us. If the game connects successfully, you will need to add Among Us as an exception or allow it through your firewall and antivirus settings to prevent future blocks. Remember to re-enable your security software once troubleshooting is complete.
Step. Flush and reset network settings. Content corrupted caches or network configuration issues can hinder your game's ability to resolve server addresses, leading to connection errors like that. You can resolve this by flushing your cache and resetting your network settings. Open command prompt as an administrator and execute the following commands, pressing enter after each config flushes. Netwinsock reset and netgithip reset. After running these commands, restart your computer to ensure the changes take effect. This process clears all network data and rebuilds essential network components, which can often resolve persistent connectivity problems.